Today we're gonna continue with another proverb. It said, Byoneka Kodi, Kuno Kwami Kebyonekapo. Byoneka Kodi, Kuno Kwami Kebyonekapo. This means that if your friendship is broken, it's not on my side. It is on your side. If my friendship is broken, it's not on my side. It's on your side. It has not failed on mine. That's what this proverb said. And the proverb said, I think I've been thinking that this proverb will be used maybe among two friends who are talking and trying to show while there is a fight among, or they didn't talk for a long time and wondering who started. They can always say this, Byoneka Kodi, Kuno Kwami Kebyonekapo, or you are my friend forever, kind of. I don't have anything, I can't break it. So Byoneka Kodi, Kuno Kwami Kebyonekapo means if our friendships is broken, it is on your side. It has not failed on my side. In other words, it will not fail on my side. It will not want to be destroyed on my side. So let's go into it just to learn Chiluba, learn some vocabularies. Let's go. The first one is Byoneka. Byoneka means Byoneka comes from verb KONEKA, to be destroyed. Byoneka, it's being destroyed, or it will be destroyed. Byoneka, and so KONEKA is to be destroyed. KONA, it's destroyed, to destroy. KONA, and then Kodi means to you. Kodi means to you. It also means, I try to put all the meaning I can imagine. Kodi means to you, or mean where you are, or on your side. That's Kodi. Sometimes I hear mostly people on the phone or on those kind of walkie-talkie, and they can say Kodi means they're giving you the permission to talk, and then you talk to, and so on. Kodi means to you. Kodi means where you are. So another one is Kuno. Kuno means here. KOKWA means there. Kuno means here. KOKWA means there. Kwami means on my side. Kwami could say also Kwami may mean Kwami means in my home, where I live. Kwami means my house, my home. That's why I put my home. And Nyenda Kwami, I'm going to my home, or I'm going where I live. Kwami, I'm going home. I'm going home. So Naenda Kwami, I'm going home. So after that, that's Kwami. Kobe means on your side, belongs to you. Kobe means it belongs to you, whatever it is. A pen, Kobe, belongs to you. So Kobe means it's yours. Kobe, it's yours. Kobe means it's yours. I guess you retain that. And let's go forward. Kebyonekapo, it will not be destroyed. Kebyonekapo, it will not be destroyed. K, I notice whenever K comes, means it introducing negativity. K. Wo means just like what we have in French, I guess it's ne pas. In English, you see don't, something like that. If you see do not, introducing negativity. Do not eat. I'm not eating. So there is not, do not. And here we have K means no, no, no. Kebyonekapo means it will not be destroyed. KONA, it will destroy. KONEKA is to be destroyed. And so that's what it is. Under verb KONA, it's a verb to destroy, and the verb verb KONA is verb destroy. So we say NABAONE, I destroy. WUBAONE, you destroy. WAONE, he or she destroys. TUBAONE, we destroy. MUBAONE, you destroy. ABAONE, they destroy. So that's the verb to destroy. If you're destroying something, NABAONE, I destroy, or NABAONE. I'm trying to put this so you can get used to all those ways that people talk. NABAONE or NABAONE means I destroy. So another verb is the verb KONEKA, to be destroyed. The verb KONEKA, we can say NABAONEKA, I am destroyed. So it's just I'm destroyed, or I'm destroyed. NABAONEKA, I'm destroyed, or I'm not the way I was. So there's something going on with me, or I'm getting bad. So NABAONEKA. And then WUBAONEKA, you are destroyed. WAONEKA, he or she is destroyed. TUBAONEKA, we are destroyed. MUBAONEKA, you are destroyed. ABAONEKA, they are destroyed. So thank you for following, and thank you for listening. And next time we'll go to a different proverb. So in a week we'll start another proverb. Thank you for listening. I hope that you'll be listening continuously. If you happen to listen by accident, and please come and continue listening, and you'll learn something from this proverb, and you'll learn also the language. It's a plus on what you know. It's free. Come and listen, and I'm very interested. I'm very encouraged to teach this language I know. And it's Kiluba. Learn, come and learn. There are too many already proverbs I already taught, and keep coming, and I'll continue adding some words. You can gain one word maybe every month, every 2 months. That's fine. Progressively you increase your vocabulary. So looking forward to seeing you again. God bless.